In this time of self-quarantine, let's create an artwork with the available resource. Hi guys, this is Salome. Let's make this day more interesting and creative with a different kind of artistry today. So let's get started. So for this artwork today, we'll need a newspaper, a scissor, a glue, crayons or paints, and an art sheet. So let's start. I am going to make a rectangle, leaving a border kind of a thing outside, equal from all the ends. Now here I have a newspaper. I am going to cut newspaper stripes. You all can cut them like into smaller pieces also. You all can cut them into slanting lines also. I'm marking the size and I'm just giving it a cut. Since I'm doing standing line, I'm doing it like this, and I've already cut the few things and kept it ready. I'm again using a cutter here. So kids, please be safe. You all can use a scissor. You all can do strips horizontally. You all can just cut them into blocks like this and just paste them like how I'm going to show you all. So now I'm going to apply glue. Stick these strips. If you all are cutting small rectangles, you all can stick them like that also. You all can leave gaps between them. I am also going to leave a little gap here between the strips. Just a little tiny gap. We let this dry. So it's dried now. If it's not dried, then the newspaper might tear. So be patient and let it dry. I am taking a red. You all can take any color scheme. You all can take any color. I'm just sticking to a warm color basically to go with here. Something bright. It's summer, it's hot, just giving that summery look to the painting. I'm going to take a black crayon. Since I have used crayons below, I cannot use a marker. You all can use an acrylic paint. I'm just drawing a branch, a twig basically, sub branches to it. You all can create this work with n number of things. Your imagination on paper again. I'm just going to add birds, making a circle, a slanting line, a bump, color this black. If you all are using paints, you all can paint it black. Only acrylic would work since you've already done the crayon work below. We could add leaves. We can add a few fruits. We can add a few flowers as well. I'm going to blend it with a white. You can add as many as you want. Just adding a little violet. Somewhere. You all can take whatever color you all want for your flowers. Now take whatever crayon you all want to according to the color scheme you all have chosen. Try and make border kind of look to a painting. Any border you all can make, any shape. I think I'll add another branch here. It's a creative work, so no restriction. You all can add whatever you all want to. Mixing it with the white again. Again adding a little violet. So I think I'm done. You can experiment like this with different forms. This is a cat, what I have done with one of my students. You all can go on exploring like this with different things. I hope you like this video, and if you all have any queries, you all can write in the comment section below and I'll get back. Thanks. Bye.